First, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 60 millimeters and another one with 44 millimeters. Press OK. We have the both circle here. Now select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 105 millimeters. Make another line here with 20 millimeters. Another line here with 30 millimeters. Here, 55 millimeters. 50 millimeters. 55 millimeters. And close this here in the circle, okay? That's okay. Now go to modify, select trim, cut here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point. That's okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. The direction will be symmetric, measurement wholly length, and the distance here is 60 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select fillet. The type will be full round fillet. Make a fillet here. Press OK. Now create a sketch and select this face. Select a circle. Make a circle here in the same center of the fillet here, okay? Of this radius, the same center. The distance here is 30 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. Finish the sketch. Now go to Extrude, select this profile here. We'll make a cut here, extend the type, all, operation cut, press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select circle, click here in the mid of this edge, make a circle here with 60 millimeters, finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select the circle here, make a circle here with 30 millimeters, minus 30 millimeters, operation join, press OK. You have this. Now go to create a sketch again, select this face here, select circle, make a circle in the center of this face with 30 millimeters, finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here. The operation here is cut, the extended type all, flip this, press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Click in this edge here and hold Ctrl and click in this edge. Go to create and select project. Press OK. Now select the line, click here in this line. In this point, make a line here to this edge. Okay, the purple edge here. Make sure this line is tangent with this edge, okay? And finish the sketch. We have this. Now go to create, select rib, select this line, the profile. The thickness is 12 millimeters. Flip the direction. Make sure the thickness is the symmetric here, okay? And press OK. Here we finish the exercise, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.